Hello YouTube, I'm Turbo. Welcome to Turbo Stacking, where we stack and collect with purpose. As your stack becomes more significant, some of you will find yourself interested in numismatic coins. This is how I started my numismatic venture, Vaultbox. Vaultbox is an online dealer of numismatic coins who have a mystery box type of sales model. Every 6 to 8 weeks, they will release a new series with a new theme and new cost per coin. The cost per coin for this release was $995 and was released on February 5th, 2025 and promptly sold out. Vaultbox Series 9 includes pre-33 gold coins, gold nuggets, toners, and proofs among its offerings. Most importantly, Series 9 has multiple 5-figure coins and is the first series to offer a 6-figure, yes, I said $100,000 coin in its release. At the time of its release, collectors couldn't justify the $100 ask price for the Pan Pack octagonal $50 gold piece. As a result, most of the already tiny mintage of 1,500 coins was melted down, with only 645 sold to collectors before the rest were destroyed. Low mintage and a massive weight of over 2.5 troy ounces of gold. Historical connections to ancient Greece, the California Gold Rush, and the currently raging World War I. So as you see, we have a couple of different good value coins here, I would say. All right, let's get on with it. Big bucks, no whammies. We're looking for red cores here. Okay guys, well apparently I wasn't recording the whole time and opened the package without realizing I wasn't recording, so that's what happened there. I haven't completely opened it yet, but here we go. Let's see what we get. Big bucks, no whammies. Red core, please, red core. What do we get? Yes! 1850. Oh, it's gotta be a... Yeah, Seated Liberty. Holy cow, that is pretty. Let's take a look at that. VF 35, 1850, $1 Seated Liberty. I have never had one of these. I've seen them, but to be honest, this one's in better condition than the ones I've seen. This is beautiful. Wow. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Wow. All right, let's go look this thing up. All right, let's see what this thing's worth. Let me pop in this number and the grade. Find my coin and the Seated Liberty. Wow. All right, this Seated Liberty dollar, even at very fine, comes in at $1,150. Okay, it appears that the instant offer amount is $1,150, so that's not such a bad deal. It's gonna put me, do the math on that, I am positive $135, which over 13% gain out the door. Wow, I'm on quite a streak. If you saw my last couple of unboxings, I have hit purple or red cores many times, but I'm happy that I at least made my money back, and 13%. Would have been nice to get a 5-figure or a 6-figure coin, maybe one day. So that's about it. We ended up with a 1850 Seated Liberty. That is a sought after coin. It's one that I don't have any version of, the Seated Liberty. I have another unique coin to add to my stack. This is a beautiful coin. It's a sought after coin. It's a red core. It's worth more money than I paid for it, and it's beautiful. And I'm happy. What about you guys? What do you think? What was your best coin or your favorite coin that you've ever unboxed? Specifically, if you've ever done Vaultbox, I'm interested to hear what you guys have received out there. Comment below for us so we can all read. And if you find any of this content engaging and useful, and you want to continue to see turbo stacking content, please like and subscribe. 96% of my viewers are not subscribed. Let's see if we can get that down to 90%. God bless. As you were, Turbo out.